Hey YouTube, this is how you assemble the Toyota Tacoma 2020 jack. If your spare tire has a lock on it and you received one of these along with your jack kit, you definitely need to put it on this way. So it's pretty simple. The hook goes in first and then it snaps on right here. You just put it in the hole and then you twist it. Make sure you have a flashlight. So you want to put it in here. If you use a flashlight, you can see clearly that there's like a receiving end for this lock here. You put it in here, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now you can find your spare jack stuff right in here. Bam, bada bing, bada boom. Of course, if your lug nuts have a lock on it,